Today I'm going to introduce a new puzzle that we have. It's called the matchstick puzzles. Inside the packet, it comes with 5 pieces of paper and also some matchsticks die cut. So the first thing we're going to do is release all the matchsticks from the die cut. And now we're going to work on the matchsticks box. So first cut out this square piece and also the 2 white strips below. Now fold along the dark lines of this piece of paper, like so. Make sure the folds are very crisp, so very accurate on the side, so you can see the actual shape of the matchbox. Once we are done, flip it over to this side. Now we're gonna tuck in one side into the other. Now if it's a little bit tough for you to put it in, you may take out the piece and fold in the sides of the tuck in one, like so. And now we're done with our outer layer of our matchsticks box. Now we're gonna do the inside of the matchsticks box, which will hold the matchsticks. So for this, we need an A4 paper. And in this A4 paper, we're gonna make a square, a perfect square. Take an A4 paper and take one corner of the paper to fold it into a triangle. Fold in the other side, and we're gonna cut this side so that we have the triangle. You may use a knife to cut the paper, or you can use a pair of scissors to cut it. Now fold the perfect square in half and open the paper again. Take one end and fold it into the middle. Repeat on the other end. Now take the end of one side and fold it like so, making it to look like a V shape. Make sure all the folds are well creased, because this will help the matchstick box to form its shape. Now repeat the same step to the other side. Once both sides are folded, flip the paper around and fold the ends into the center line. Once we're done, open up the paper and you will see 3 crisp lines in the middle. And now you take one corner and fold it into a triangle like so. Now fold the other end to make a triangle as well. Now make sure all the lines are creased well. And tuck in the left piece into the right piece. Then you tuck in the new triangle that is formed so that it forms a straight line. And tuck in the loose pieces as well. Now repeat the same thing to the other end. First by making a triangle. Then fold in the left piece and tuck in the left piece into the right piece, and then tuck in all the loose pieces. Remember to tuck in the small triangle so that we have a straight line for the bottom. Now once everything is nicely folded, you may open up the box and you will see that the box is well shaped. So now we have to crease all the sides, fold in all the sides so that the shape is formed. And now you can put in all your matchsticks inside, and you can try to put it into your matchsticks box. Remember the white strips that we cut out? And now I'm going to show you some extra details that you can make to put into your matchsticks box. Now this is an added option, you don't have to do it. You may cut out the 小高 that we have also printed out together. Now you take these two white strips and glue it on one end of it together to make a 90 degrees angle. So once it's all glued together, you may now fold the paper across each other like so. So the left side goes to the right and the top goes down to the bottom, and repeat the step by doing so. What we're making here is actually a paper spring. So when you open up your matchsticks box, 小高 can actually pop up from the matchsticks box. And this is a surprise element that you can try on your friends. Once completed, you can glue the ends and cut off the extra pieces. And now we have our paper spring. So we are going to paste our paper spring onto our matchstick box like so. And also put our 小高 template to try out the space. And we're gonna put some glue onto it. Once all pasted together, you may put everything together and try the surprise 小高. It takes a few times for you to try so that it is very smooth and going. So be patient until you get it right. Once everything is ready, you can put in your matchsticks again back into the box. This matchsticks box is travel friendly and you can bring it everywhere you go and solving all the puzzles that you like. You can cut the easy level puzzles and then put them inside the matchsticks box so that whenever you go, you can actually recreate all the puzzles. For the other puzzles, you can refer to the questions on the paper, or you can go on to HOTS Yelaoshr.edu.my for all the answers and other questions as well. Be sure to take a lot of pictures when you are answering these puzzles, and if you make your own new puzzles, be sure to share it with us.